Hey guys, and welcome to a special STN crash course series on Sergei Eisenstein's graphic conflicts. Now, Sergei Eisenstein was a filmmaker that was born in the late 1800s and is largely responsible for the Soviet montaging theory. He saw everything as visual conflicts. In fact, he even mentioned that editing was a collision of independent shots. Sergei Eisenstein in his writing developed a series of visual graphic conflicts, and through this course we're going to go through 4 of them. We'll be looking at conflict of lines, conflict of planes, conflict of depth, and conflict of mass. So as we work through these, pay attention to the way that meaning is constructed with images and how these conflicts create more interesting images that we can connect to. This is surely to change the way that you watch film as well as make your own. So, follow along in our series, and I guarantee you will find a brand new respect for Sergei Eisenstein and cinematography as a whole.